INTRICUT 291 is a premium, heavy-duty, semi-synthetic fluid containing extraordinary extreme pressure, EP lubricants and rust preventives. INTRICUT 291 is a tight emulsion with an excellent biocide package offering superior stability and system life. INTRICUT 291 is chlorine-free. INTRICUT 291 is a versatile product designed for use on ferrous and most non-ferrous metals. It can be used in a variety of machining and grinding operations. INTRICUT 291 is an excellent choice for heavy-duty applications such as broaching, coining, gun drilling and tapping. It can be used in both central and single standalone coolant systems. INTRICUT 291 is an industrial product. Proper use and disposal practices should be observed. Please refer to the product material safety data sheet for specific information. Thanks for watching NCOC channel.